Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak in some areas of your home, this video will help you fix it. In this tutorial, we explain how to complete the KLUSIYA Wi-Fi extender WPS setup quickly and easily. Just follow the steps shown in the video to connect your extender and improve your wireless network coverage. This video will guide you through the entire setup process in a simple and easy way. Follow the instructions carefully and you will be able to extend your Wi-Fi network within minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First, take your KLUSIYA Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a wall power outlet close to your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to power on. The power LED light on the extender should become solid or stable. During the first setup, always place the extender in the same room as the router. In this video, I will show you how to set up the DHMXDC wireless N 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button method. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signals or internet dead zones in your home or office, this extender can help boost your existing Wi-Fi network and improve coverage. I will explain each and every step in detail so you can easily connect the DHMXDC Wi-Fi extender to your router without using complicated settings. So let's start the setup process. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the KLUSIYA Wi-Fi extender. The WPS LED light will start blinking on the extender. The extender will now begin searching for your router automatically. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes. The extender will automatically copy the router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, Wi-Fi password, or security settings. When the connection is successful, the WPS light becomes solid. The signal indicator lights turn on. This means the extender is now connected to your router. Unplug the extender. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it back into the power outlet. After setup, the extender creates a new Wi-Fi network. Example: original Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi, or extended Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi_XT. Now connect your phone, laptop, or TV to the extended Wi-Fi network to get better coverage. Your KLUSIYA Wi-Fi extender is now ready to boost your Wi-Fi signal and remove dead zones in your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.